Guys, perfect timing for another 3-minute Monday. I am really hungry. I haven't had any breakfast, and actually I want to make a topic about having some cinematic shots and how to actually make some cinematic shots. I wasn't asked by anyone, unfortunately, but if in the future somebody is actually asking me, how did you do your B-roll shots, Leech? Then I'm going to say, info card. But enough joking, let's actually make some awesome B-roll shots of my breakfast that I'm going to eat afterwards, and then I'm going to show you how I actually made them. So, start with the intro. So how am I actually going to make some cinematic B-roll breakfast thing with bread and a lot of jams? Well, I bought some stuff. And this is actually a lot of things that I actually really like, and that looks good, and that actually looks good on camera. And then we have my working space right behind me that is going to make things look really good with different lights and things, but I'm going to show you in a second, so let's go. The first thing I am normally doing is preparing my space with different lights and shining an object that is actually in the picture so that I can see how the lights react to the object and the camera itself. I am trying to make this work very fast and hope that it looks good. After that, I am placing different things on the table and look if the shadows look great, and if they do, I'll begin with the actual stuff. So I toasted some bread and prepared the jams. These are actual shots from the camera. I'm using my slider, and a lot is also filmed handheld or on the table itself. I then cut everything together and made the bread look fantastic on camera. And now to add something a bit more, I am actually dripping down some of the jam onto the actual sandwich. And now for the final touches, we need some fresh fruit so that it looks like a really great montage of food. After that, I'm going into Premiere itself, and I have already cut up everything and put the music down below so that it actually looks pretty good, as you can see. And then I color grade. I put everything onto an adjustment layer and color grade from there on. If you want to see my settings, you can actually see them on the side. So let's actually check out the full sequence and see how it looks. Guys, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully you learned something. It was actually really good. I liked it. We could do more stuff like this, like something for lunch or dinner, maybe. Well, I guess see you next time, and my name was Leech, and hopefully you had as much fun as I had. See you in the next video.